Have you accidentally enabled sleep mode on Instagram and are missing important notifications? You have come to the right place. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to turn it off. To begin, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Navigate to your Instagram profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the setting menu. In the settings, select the time management option and then scroll down to find the sleep mode option. Tap on it to access the sleep mode settings. While sleep mode can be useful if you are overwhelmed by notifications, you can disable it by toggling the switch off. Once disabled, Instagram will resume sending you notifications as usual and they will no longer be muted. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.